Elsa, you sound really upset. I think maybe you should talk to Anna. Elsa? Elsa? She hung up on me, Kipsters. Huh. Let me tell you what just happened. Elsa is not happy. So, she called me and she said that they were getting ready for this ball and they were gonna make 10 ice sculptures. And Anna was like, ooh, let me help. I want to help so much. And she was so excited. And Elsa was like, okay. So Elsa made 7 ice sculptures. And then she was expecting Anna to make the rest. And this is what happened. Anna, instead of getting up to help, just kept on sleeping. Snooze of losing. And Elsa was not pleased. She was like, look, I mean these beautiful ice sculptures. And I was like, yeah, I especially really love that dragon one and that unicorn one. Those are gorgeous. And she was like, that's not the point. The point is, do you know what 7 plus 0 is? And I was like, I don't know. When I started trying to count my fingers, I was like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And she was like, 0 means there's nothing. I was like, okay. She said, 7 plus 0 equals 7 because 0 is nothing. And so if you add nothing to a number, you get the same number. I was like, okay, Elsa. And then she was like, but it didn't end there. After the ball, there were 9 cupcakes left that Anna said that she was going to put away so they wouldn't go bad. But guess how many cupcakes she put away? I was like, 9. And Elsa was like, nope. She put away 0. Do you know what 9 minus 0 is? I was like, 9, 1, 2, 3. She was like, come on. 0 means there's nothing. So 9 minus 0 equals 9. I was like, whoa. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. You sound like you're pretty upset. And that's when I told her she should go talk to Anna. And that's when she hung up on me. And she just sent me this furious emoji face. I was like, ooh, I think she should take some belly breaths. All right, so let's stop and think about this, Skipsters. All right, so Elsa wanted to have 10 beautiful ice sculptures, and she made 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she made 7. And so then Anna didn't make any. So I can't add anything on to this stick because there's nothing to add. 0 is nothing, so I still just have 7. Just like Elsa still just had her 7 ice sculptures. So then, remember, at the end of the night, there were those 9 cupcakes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Anna was supposed to put them away, but Anna put 0 away. So I can't take any of these away because Anna didn't put nothing away. 0 is nothing, so this stays like this. So 9 minus 0 is 9. So today we are going to be practicing solving word problems and fluency problems in which 0 is being added or taken away. So we got 5 plus 0 equals 5 and 5 minus 0 equals 5 because 0 means there's nothing. All right, so for our thinking steps, you're going to listen to the story and identify if it is a put together or take apart problem. That's important so we know if we should have a plus sign or a minus sign. Then we're going to listen to the story and identify the whole and the takeaway part or the 2 parts. So right here we've got 5 plus 0. So our parts are 5 and 0. So then I'm going to identify the number that I'm adding to or subtracting 0 from. So we're adding 0 to 5, so that means that my answer is going to be 5. All right, your turn. Marissa had 8 bracelets. She loved them so much that she didn't want to give any of them away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? All right, so I want you to draw some math circles to show this and then make the number sentence. I'll read it one more time. Marissa had made 8 bracelets. She loved them so much she did not give any away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? Thinking about, am I adding, putting together, or am I taking away? All right, so Marissa had 8 bracelets, so I know that I need to start by drawing 8 math circles. Let's see, there we go. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it says that she didn't give any away. And I know if I'm giving away, that's like it's the takeaway, so that would be subtraction. But she's not giving any away. If she's giving nothing away, then that's the same thing as 0. So my whole was 8 because she started with 8, right? And then we're taking away nothing. And so taking away nothing, the number for that is, you got it, it's 0. So you got 8 minus 0, and so that leaves us with 8. Because if I've got 8 and I don't do anything with it, then I'm still going to have 8. Fabulous. All right. One more, Kipsters. Jackson found 6 toys under his bed. He looked and did not find any more toys. How many toys does Jackson have now? Ooh. Jackson found 6 toys under his bed. He looked and did not find any more toys. How many toys does Jackson have now? Thinking about if that's a put together or take apart problem. All right. Let's see what she got. All right. So, if Jackson found 6 toys under his bed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then he didn't find any more under his bed, that means I'm not adding anything more, so this must be a put together problem. He didn't find any more. If you found nothing, that means it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be 0. All right, so the first part that we started with is, got it, it is 6. And then we are adding nothing to it, and our math number for that is, got it, it is 0. So we've got 6 plus 0, and so if I've got 6, if I have 6 and I add 0 to it, then I'm still going to have 6. Yeah, I'm still going to have 6. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. I think adding and subtracting 0 is actually kind of easy. Do you think it's easy? Wow. I have a challenge for you. We're going to have a race. I want to see who can solve these problems the fastest. Is it going to be you? Can't wait to see. Can you beat me? I don't know. Let's find out. All right. Ready, set, race. Tricked you. All right. Now what's going to happen is there's going to be 4 problems that show up. You're going to see how fast you can solve these problems. Don't worry about writing down the whole number sentence. Just write your answers. Ready, set, race. Are you done? right, let's see. How fast did you go? We'll start over here. 2 plus 0 equals, woo, you got it, 2. Next one, 2 minus 0 equals, woo, still 2. 4 minus 0 equals, 4. And then 3 plus 0 equals, oh my goodness, was I going too slow for you? Sounded like I was going too slow for you. Great job, Kipsters. All right, so Elsa wanted to leave us with this message. If you have 0, that means you have nothing. And when you add 0 or subtract 0, your number stays the same because 0 means there's nothing. Ooh. Man, oh man, I really hope Elsa has calmed down. Maybe I should call her back and see how she's doing. I'll talk to you later, Kipsters. Have a fabulous rest of your day. Miss you.